Hello guys, good evening. Boa noite. Boa noite. Today I have only 10 euro session. Okay, today nowadays I'm getting smarter. Maybe not because I'm still gambling. Okay, I have ticket number 12 to 15. Tenho o número 12 a... No, this is size, not 15. Okay? Outside Portugal on how to win. On this ticket, the same symbol. If we uncover the symbol aranya or spider in English, we win the prize shown. Tia or spider web, we win 20 euro. Cash symbol, we win all prizes. A lot of chances to win, a lot of promising chances to win. I'm gonna use this random red coin. Yesterday I was lucky, I won 30, and today no. Maybe, hopefully. Okay, this is my favorite 2 euro ticket, guys. What is this? Juaninya, not Aranya. I only bought 5. Maybe I'm smart, maybe not. I should have bought 1 book. No. No, it's not a winner. Ticket number 12. Ticket number 13. There's no sign of winning. Oh Lord, nada. I just want to see Aranya. Nada. Hi, winner. I found 2 symbols. 2 the same symbols. So only 1 win. Maybe 20,000. Claimer. Oh Lord. Claimer for Santa Casa. So I got 2 euro. Which is terrible. Let's hope we can find. Ticket number 13 is a winner. Let's hope it's back to back. I just want to see spider. That's all I want. Juaninia. Hi, back to back, guys. Wow, back to back wins. Back to back wins. Back to back 2 euro, maybe. Back to back wins. Sako. 2 symbols. 4. Give me a 0. Give me a 0. Hi, 5 euro. Not bad, guys. 5 euro plus 2 euro. I got 7 out of 10. Not bad. Maybe I can find more wins. Back to back to back. Ticket number 15. Talvez. I just want to see Aranya. Don't give me symbol. I don't like symbol. Just give me 1 Aranya. That's all I want. Nada. Masa. Agua. Apple and water. Container. No. So this is not a winner. Not 3 in a row. Maybe this is a winner. Come on, random red. Yesterday I won. How much I won yesterday in this ticket? 30. €30. The, what's it called? Estrellas de Sorte. Estrellas de Sorte. More likely it's not a winner because I got 2 wins out of 5 tickets. Now, I want to find this Notas symbol. Give me motorbike. Lasso. Allard. There. Novine. Libro. Okay, but not bad, guys. Not bad. Not bad, guys, because I got €7 out of €10 session. So €3 donation to Portugal lottery. My phone stopped working, guys. Okay, so I just like this ticket because it's cheap and I like the Aranya ticket. My favorite €2 tickets. Okay, so today I didn't find the symbol that I like, the Aranya or Tia or Notas. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao. My phone keeps stopping, guys. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I got 7 out of 10. Not bad. Ciao.